Hey, what's up, marketers? Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level using Facebook groups? If you want to build a community, drive more traffic, and boost your affiliate sales, you're in the right place. Stick around because today I'm sharing to use Facebook groups to expand your business. Let's dive right in. First things first, why Facebook groups? Facebook groups are a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Unlike Facebook pages, groups allow you to create a sense of community and trust. This is where potential customers can ask questions, share feedback, and get real value. Plus, Facebook loves group engagement, meaning more reach and visibility for you. The first proven strategy is to create your own Facebook group. This puts you in control of the narrative and lets you build a community around your niche. Make sure you name it something that resonates with your target audience. And don't forget to use keywords for better searchability on Facebook. Post content regularly, like valuable tips, discussion prompts, and even sneak peeks of your affiliate offers. And always engage with your members. Next up, optimize your group for affiliate marketing. Use the About section to tell new members about the group and how they can benefit from it. You can pin a welcome post at the top with affiliate links or a freebie to capture emails. And remember, don't spam, provide value first, and your affiliate offers will follow naturally. Now let's talk about engaging in other people's Facebook groups. Find groups where your target audience is already active. Join them and become a valuable member. No one likes a spammer, so don't just drop your affiliate links. Instead, answer questions, share insights, and build relationships. Once people see you as an authority, they'll be likelier to check out your profile or even ask about your offers directly. A fantastic way to boost engagement is by hosting live Q&A sessions or webinars in your group. This allows you to address your community's pain points directly, and you can weave in your affiliate offers naturally as solutions. For example, if you're promoting a tool or service, you can do a live demo and answer any questions. This builds trust and can lead to more conversions. Polls and surveys are another awesome tool. Use them to determine your audience's needs and tailor your content or affiliate offers accordingly. For example, ask them about their biggest struggles in your niche, then recommend products or services that solve those issues. It's a win-win, and they get valuable recommendations and you earn commissions. And don't forget the power of social proof. Share success stories and testimonials from people who have benefited from your affiliate recommendations. This builds credibility and makes it easier for others to trust your offers. People love to see proof that a product or service works before they commit. There you have it, folks. Proven ways to use Facebook groups to grow your affiliate marketing business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with Facebook groups, drop a comment below. Let's grow together. Catch you in the next video. Happy marketing.